do you think about these cars? Think they're fast? No, me either. What's going on, everybody? Dad Bod Season here. Welcome to the video. Just wanted to let you guys know this video is just gonna be a quick one about the car meet that I went to. But at the end of this video will be the announcing of the giveaway winner. So if you want, you can go ahead and skip to the end of it to see if you won. But I'd really appreciate it if you watch the video, like, and subscribe. All right, here we go. What's going on, everybody? Dad Bod Season here. It's another wonderful Friday and it's beautiful outside, so we figured let's go cruise around. And we saw all these cars parked in this parking lot, so we said, oh, why don't we pull in and see what we got going on. Right now we have someone pulling in, making a bunch of noise. There we go. Let's see what he's got done to that. And we got some bikes coming in. Hopefully we don't do anything dumb. We just got here, so I'm not trying to. Oh, he's on bags. Yep, he just dropped that thing all the way down. But we got the photographer and the director. She's here. She's very happy today. Right? Aren't you happy? Okay. So yeah, we'll take a look at some of these cars. Hopefully more come, but we'll see. wheels on here.
Huh?
It's stick. I really. And they got the headset. You know, they got me intrigued. They got me intrigued. Maybe they got some. Maybe they got some performance stuff
Go
done.
Power Rangers ski.
I mean, at this point, I'm kind of like, well, they put a lot of money into this thing. Maybe they decided to hit up the performance aisle. Look underneath all the orange. Well, that's spray paint. You can see the overspray right there. I like the wheels. They look good. They're clean. My favorite. 0 to 60. Eventually. Right next to it, speed is key. Gotta love it, gotta love it.
He sold it?
Yeah, Gage shoulders me on.
Remember that? You remember that? Look at these freshy boys, freshly painted. They got the drip. Oh, this guy's he's got his hood up. He's got his hood up. What we got here? What we got? Ooh. Yeah. I am speed. Ka-chow. So, we have the winner. The winner of the giveaway. The first giveaway ever on this channel of a t-shirt and a sweatshirt of your choosing off of the Dad Bod Season merch page is Aviation 777. So, you are the winner. Congratulations. Comment below. We'll get in contact with you and we'll get you your stuff. Congratulations. With all that being said, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And just like that, this video is over. See you guys next time. Dad Bod Season out.